Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're on a mission to revolutionize airplane food. Let's be real, airplane food has a reputation, and it's not exactly Michelin star. We're talking next-level hacks to transform those tray tables into a gourmet dining experience. Buckle up, Buttercup, it's about to get delicious. Alright, let's talk about those tiny bags of pretzels they hand out like precious gems. Don't get me wrong, I've been there, desperately clutching that little bag like it's the last food source on Earth. But we're not about that life anymore. We're upgrading to real snacks, people. Think trail mix with nuts and dried fruit for that satisfying crunch, or some protein bars to keep those hanger pangs at bay. And listen, I'm not talking about anything that's going to stink up the whole cabin. We're going for discreet deliciousness here, because when that snack attack hits at 30,000 feet, you'll be thanking me. Now, I know what you're thinking. Veggies on a plane? Who are you, the Dalai Lama of healthy travel? But hear me out. Fresh veggies are a game changer when it comes to feeling somewhat human after hours of recycled air and questionable meal choices. We're talking crunchy carrot sticks, crisp celery, maybe even some juicy cherry tomatoes. They're like little bursts of freshness in a sea of airplane dryness. Pack them in a reusable container for easy access, and boom, you've got yourself a healthy and refreshing snack. Okay, let's be real. No in-flight dining experience is complete without a little something to take the edge off. And when you're stuck in a metal tube hurtling through the sky, sometimes you need a little more than just a ginger ale. But here's the thing, not all drinks are created equal at altitude. My go-to? White wine. It's light, refreshing, and pairs well with pretty much anything. Plus, it just makes the whole experience feel a little more civilized. A little glass of something crisp and chilled is all you need to elevate your in-flight dining game. Let's be honest, airplane food has a tendency to be, shall we say, a little bland. It's like they took all the flavor out of the food and replaced it with recycled air and the faint scent of jet fuel. But fear not, my flavor-seeking friends, because I've got the solution seasoning. Pack a few of your favorite seasoning packets, hot sauce, salt and pepper, garlic powder, whatever tickles your taste buds. Get ready to transform that bland airplane meal into a culinary masterpiece. Trust me, a little sprinkle of something delicious can make all the difference. So you've got your complimentary beverage, but let's be real. It's about as exciting as watching paint dry. Time to upgrade that drink game. We're talking about bringing your own little flavor bombs to transform those boring beverages into something special. Think powdered drink mixes, those little flavor packets you can find at any grocery store. They're compact, easy to pack, and they come in a million different flavors. Want to make that club soda feel a little fancier? Boom, instant raspberry lime spritzer. Don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with different flavors. You might just discover your new go-to drink while cruising at 30,000 feet. Let's talk about bread, shall we? Specifically, the mysterious rolls they serve on airplanes that are either rock hard or suspiciously soft. It's a gamble, my friends, and sometimes you just don't want to risk it. That's why we pack our own carbs. A couple of slices of your favorite bread, a handful of crackers, whatever floats your boat. This way, you're guaranteed a satisfying crunch or a soft and fluffy companion to your meal. Sometimes you just need a little extra something to mop up all that delicious sauce from your hopefully seasoned to perfection airplane meal. Attention all my tea lovers. I know you feel my pain when it comes to the sad little selection of tea bags they offer on airplanes. It's like they went to the back of the grocery store, found the dustiest box of tea and said, "Yeah, this will do." But we deserve better than dusty tea, my friends. That's why we're bringing our own tea bags. Pack a few of your favorites. Herbal, black, green, whatever your tea-loving heart desires. Just ask the flight attendant for some hot water and boom, you've got yourself a proper cuppa to enjoy at 30,000 feet, because nothing beats a soothing cup of tea while you're soaring through the clouds. Alright, let's talk strategy, people. When it comes to maximizing your in-flight dining experience, seat selection is key. We're not just talking about legroom here, although that's definitely a bonus. We're talking about prime real estate for enjoying your meal. First things first, avoid the middle seat at all costs. Aim for a window seat if you can. It gives you a little more privacy, a place to rest your head, and a great view to boot. Plus, you won't have to worry about awkwardly squeezing past your seatmates every time you need to use the restroom. Listen up, my friends, because this is crucial. Hydration is key when you're flying. That dry cabin air can suck the moisture out of you faster than you can say complimentary beverage. And trust me, nobody wants to be that person who gets a nosebleed at 30,000 feet. So here's the plan. Drink water like it's your job before you even board that plane. And I'm not talking about chugging a glass right before you go through security. I'm talking about consistent hydration in the days leading up to your flight. Your skin, your sinuses, and your overall well-being will thank you. All right, let's talk about those magical words. Special meal. No, I'm not talking about some secret menu only available to celebrities and frequent flyers. I'm talking about the pre-ordered meals you can request when you book your flight. These special meals are often fresher, tastier, and you get served first. Now, I know how tempting it is to hit up that airport buffet before your flight. But trust me, your stomach will thank you later if you resist the urge to gorge yourself on greasy burgers and fries. Instead, opt for a lighter meal before you head to the airport. Think salads, soups, or sandwiches on whole grain bread. You want to feel energized and ready to go, not weighed down and bloated. You've got a long flight ahead of you, so pace yourself and fuel your body with the good stuff. Let's be real. Nobody wants to be that person who's frantically trying to scarf down their meal while the flight attendants are doing their pre-landing safety checks. That's why timing is everything when it comes to in-flight dining. Instead of waiting for those meal service carts to roll down the aisle, be proactive and eat at regular intervals throughout your flight. Pack snacks that you can easily munch on, and don't be afraid to ask the flight attendant for a drink or two between meals. Trust me, your stomach and your fellow passengers will thank you. Let's face it, airplanes can be noisy beasts. Between the roar of the engines, the chatter of fellow passengers, and the occasional crying baby, it can be tough to find a moment of peace and quiet. But fear not, my noise-sensitive friends, because I've got the Solution noise-canceling headphones. These bad boys are like a warm hug for your ears, blocking out all the unwanted noise and allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the sweet sounds of silence. Or, your favorite playlist. Trust me, once you go noise canceling, you'll never go back. Listen, I'm all for trying new things, especially when it comes to food. But when you're stuck on an airplane for hours on end, the last thing you want is a culinary experiment gone wrong. That's why my rule of thumb for in-flight dining is to stick to familiar favorites. Choose foods that you know you love and that you know won't upset your stomach. Save the culinary adventures for when you're back on solid ground, my friends. Let's be real, those tiny packets of ketchup and mustard they give you on airplanes are never enough. It's like they're trying to ration our condiment intake, and I'm not here for it. So here's the deal. Don't be shy about asking for extra condiments. Whether you're a ketchup fiend, a mustard lover, or a hot sauce addict, make sure you've got enough to satisfy your cravings. Trust me, the flight attendants have heard it all before, and they're more than happy to oblige. Last but not least, let's talk about the unsung heroes of the skies, flight attendants. These hardworking individuals are there to make our journey as safe and comfortable as possible, and they deserve our respect and appreciation. So the next time you're on a flight, remember to be patient and polite to your flight attendants. They're dealing with hundreds of passengers a day, and a little kindness goes a long way. Plus, if you're nice to them, they might just slip you an extra snack or two. And there you have it, folks. Follow these tips and you'll be dining like a first-class passenger, no matter where you're seated. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel hacks. Safe travels and happy eating.